Hello everybody, this is Shantanu from SkillSpeed, and in this quick session I'll be taking you through three very simple topics. First, what exactly is big data? Second, what is Hadoop development? And third, why should a Java developer progress to Hadoop? Now let's start with the first topic. What exactly is big data? Now over the last 3-4 years we've heard a lot of news around analytics, data sciences and big data. So let's break it down into simple layman language. Big data is a data set which is large, it is complex and difficult to process via traditional processing tools. This is because nowadays data, or actually over the last 3-4 years, is very voluminous and is very unstructured. Today's systems, enterprises, individuals, consumers, we all generate data. Now this data is ripe to derive insights from. However, it is very difficult to manage, process and manipulate. So for that we bring in Hadoop into the picture. Now Hadoop is not a programming language, it's a simple framework in Java that allows distributed processing of large data sets across commodity cluster computers. Now basically Hadoop runs on the principle of parallel data processing, not linear data processing. You can see in your screen right now 4 bubbles as to why Hadoop is so popular, but we'll discuss this in more detail in a few minutes. Let's spend some time on how the Hadoop ecosystem is evolving today in the world. There are 5 points here. Let's focus on only 2. The big data market will likely hit $23.8 billion with a 31.7 rise year on year. Now today no other technology has such a run rate. Then 90% of organizations have embarked on Hadoop related projects. Therefore Hadoop developers are in huge demand. Now let's say a Hadoop developer goes into an organization. Now what? What else can I do? So you start as a Hadoop developer. However, you have the chance to progress to becoming a data scientist, to becoming a BI architect or a Hadoop architect. Now these are 3 of the hottest jobs in today's technology world. And they are bound to be so for the next 4 to 5 years, because as I showed you earlier in this slide, the big data market would likely hit $23.8 billion with a 31.7 rise year on year. Right? So let's spend 2 minutes right now on why Hadoop is so popular today. Hadoop is popular because it's very simple. It can process large data sets. It's become the industry standard for storing, processing and analyzing data. And it's very scalable and very inexpensive. So it really fits the bill for a lot of requirements. And it can handle all types of data, unstructured or structured from multiple sources. That is the core USP of Hadoop. Because of all these reasons, as this graph shows you right now, the Hadoop job market is actually booming. Like this graph is just constantly rising, especially towards the end if you can see that sharp rise happening. So now these have to be filled up by somebody. And today Java professionals are the most apt individuals to fill this gap, simply because Hadoop is a framework in Java. Now why should someone focus on Hadoop being a Java developer? The first obvious thing would be a career growth. From a Hadoop developer you move to a Java developer. From a Java developer you move to a Hadoop developer. Now in this scenario you actually get to work across verticals on real life problem solving projects. Like you may have to work on a project on how can I reduce patient costs in a hospital, how can I predict the onset of an epidemic, how can I boost sales for an organization by 30% using data insights of their consumer behavior. So you actually get the opportunity to work at a leadership role solving real world problems. Second obviously would be the lucrative salary. So let's say you're a Java developer right now with 1 to 2 years of experience and you shift to Hadoop. You can easily derive a salary of 5 to 7 lakhs per annum to start with. And at the other realm, if you become a BI or a Hadoop architect, you can earn a minimum salary of 25 to 30 lakhs, which on any given day is an excellent package. Big data is also the foundation for you to get into data sciences, IoT, Internet of Things, and machine learning. In the future, these 3 are going to be some of the hottest professions because, as you know right now, the world is moving to a data-driven world compared to what it was earlier. And so these are a list of companies which have a dedicated demand for Hadoop professionals. Like take Amazon for example. It can't get more premier than that. There's Yahoo, Netflix, Cloudera. I'm sure a lot of you who watch this video, these companies in that list can actually be your dream company to get a job in. and maybe Hadoop could help you do that. Okay, so let's leave the text on this slide. Let's focus on that graph. The salary rise is absolutely phenomenal. Like if you see a Java to any other profession salary trend, it won't even be close to a graph like this. And yeah, so let's wrap up with some predictions on how Hadoop will shape up right now. Yes, it's been great till now, but now what? So this is a Forrester report we've got our hands on. Again, let's focus on 2 points. All those companies which were unsure of adopting Hadoop till 2014 are bound to adopt it in 2015. Now we have actually seen this point happening because we have corporates across the spectrum who approached us to get trained by us. If you'd like to see the whole list, in the description below there will be a link at the end sending you to a page which has around 50 plus corporate partners, including some of the biggest names in the industry today. And the surge in demand for Hadoop job professionals will be fulfilled by Java professionals because they are the most ripe people right now to become Hadoop developers because Hadoop itself is a framework in the Java language. So to wrap up, I'd like to say 2015 seems to be a very promising year. And if you'd like to access some training material or some more information about how Java to Hadoop, how the progression of Java to Hadoop can work out for you, do visit skillspeed.com. We'd be very, very happy to help you. Thank you for your time. Take care.